In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Autosave in Excel. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the File tab. You'll find this prominently located in the top left corner of your Excel window. Clicking File doesn't just open a simple drop-down menu. Instead, it transitions your entire view to what's known as the Backstage view. This is essentially Excel's command center for managing your files and application settings. It's where you handle essential tasks like opening new workbooks, saving existing ones, printing documents, sharing your work with others, and crucially, accessing various configuration options for Excel itself. Think of it as your primary gateway to everything beyond the spreadsheet grid, offering a clean interface dedicated to file management and deep application customization, which is precisely where we need to go to adjust the Autosave settings. Once you're comfortably in the Backstage view, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane. You'll need to scroll down a bit, as the Options selection is typically located towards the very bottom of this list. This is a critical juncture in our process. Clicking Options will immediately open the comprehensive Excel Options dialog box. This powerful dialog box serves as the central hub for customizing almost every imaginable aspect of Excel's behavior, from how it processes formulas and manages data, to the precise appearance of its user interface, and most importantly for us today, how it intelligently handles file saving and recovery. It's the place to truly tailor Excel to your specific workflow and preferences. So go ahead and give Options a clear click to proceed to the next stage. With the Excel Options dialog box now open and visible, you'll observe a detailed list of categories displayed on the left side. Your next step is to locate and click on the Save category within this navigation pane. Selecting Save will then present you with all the relevant settings pertaining to how Excel manages the saving of your work. This particular section is incredibly vital for safeguarding your data. Within it, you can define default file formats, establish the frequency at which AutoRecover information is automatically saved, and choose your preferred default local file location, among other nuanced controls. It's designed to give you granular command over the saving process, thereby ensuring your valuable data is not only preserved but also managed precisely according to your preferred configurations. Take a moment to select Save to bring up the Autosave options we're aiming to adjust. Finally, within the Save section of the Excel Options dialog box, your focus should now be on locating a specific checkbox. It's clearly labeled Autosave files stored in the cloud by default in Excel. This is the precise setting to enable. By checking this box, Excel will automatically activate Autosave for any workbook stored or opened from a cloud location like Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint. This capability is exceptionally beneficial because it ensures your changes are saved in real time, almost instantaneously, as you continue to work. This greatly reduces the risk of losing data from crashes or power interruptions. Remember, for this particular Autosave feature to work as intended, your Excel file must be residing in a supported cloud service. This provides immense peace of mind, knowing your hard work is continuously protected. Simply ensure this box is checked to fully activate default Autosave for your cloud-based Excel documents. And that's how you ensure your Excel files are automatically saved when working in the cloud.